if 5 power a is equal to 3125, then 5 power a minus 3 is equal to. I did it, sir, but the option was not there.
Question number 17. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 5 power a is 3125, 5 power a minus 3. And what else? Only that one.
And 18, sir. X in 11 whole power 3x minus 1 is equal to 121.
Right. I will explain. Bye. The two problems we will do first, then after I will open the screen. Okay. Here I'm writing the questions what you have asked me.
Okay, sir.
You did 3125 LCM with 5. What did you get? 3125. Do LCM with 5, no?
Okay, sir.
Saina, you two please try more. Saina.
What, sir?
Do LCM for 3125 with 5.
Okay, sir.
వస్తున్నా.
$20, sir.
Not like that, Nana. You have to do like this. See, look at the board once. Saina ready. Please look at the board. I did LCM. This is called exponential form. Okay, no? You got 5 power 5. Chaitanya, are you there?
Yes, sir.
No. 5 power 5, no? So A is
Okay,
equal
sir.
to 5. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And what you want? 5 A value 5 you write here.
Okay, sir.
5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. 25. Option C. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And 121, if you take LCM, you will get 11 power 2. And equate the powers. Equate the powers. Okay? Equate the powers. When bases are equal, we must equate the powers. 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. Minus 1 transpose. 3x equal to 2 plus 1. X equal to 3 by 3. X equal to 1. No. Please check.
Okay, sir.
Right. Opening the screen. Now you take out page number 109. Next page, Chaitanya.
Okay, sir.
Next page, I'm giving. Next page, sums you will do. And Saina Reddy, please check this now. 22nd
Sir, what is
onwards.
page number, sir?
109. 109.
Okay, sir.
First, these sums are little difficult. I will only explain. Listen, okay?
Okay, sir.
22, 23, 24, little difficult sums. These are. I'll explain on the board. Second. 2. Chaitanya, read that question. 2 power x minus
Sir,
1.
2 power x minus 1 plus 2 power x plus 1 is equal to 320. Then value of x is.
Okay. We have to use the formula, the basic formulas. a power m minus n is equal to a power m by a power n. A power m plus n is equal to a power m into a power n. These are the formulas. Okay.
Okay, sir.
First 2 power x by 2 power 1. 2 power x into 2 power 1. What will you get here? 2 power x by 2. 2 power x into 2. Here I will common 2 power x. Common in the sense bring it out. It will come like this. Here this went out. So common means in that place that will go out, we have to write 1. That is called common. I will
Okay,
write
sir.
here 1 by 2, 1 into 2. Now 2 power x, this LCM we have to take. 1 by 2 plus 2. I am doing rough column. 1 by 2 plus 2 is equal 1 by 2 plus 2 by 1. 2 is the LCM. 1 plus 4. 5 by 2 you will get. Here I am writing in the rough column. So 1 by 2 plus 2, 5 by 2 is equal to 320. Next, 2 power x is equal to 320 into 2 by 5. So cancellation, 6, 4, 64 times. 64 into 2 is equal to 128. Now 128 I shall take the LCM with base 2 because left side 2 is there. So you get to 2 power 7. 2 power x is equal to 2 power 7. X is equal to 7 nano. Okay, no? Sainath
Okay,
Reddy
sir.
and Chaitanya, please do this sum. These are little difficult sums. I'm waiting for 1 minute. Please do it on your book. See the next question, Anna. Both of you.
Yes, sir.
Here, inside we have x power a, x power b. It will come as x power a minus b. And outside a plus b. Quotient rule. If we have division, we get subtraction, multiplication, addition. Now multiply these two terms. A plus b into a minus b. B plus c into b minus c. C plus a into c minus a. Now we have a formula a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So you will get here x power a square minus b square. We shall add these two terms. Plus b square minus c square minus a square. Minus a square plus a square. This will cancel. It's 401. Please note down. Okay, ma Chaitanya Sainath. Chaitanya.
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go for 24th question. Twenty-fourth is on the board. Writing question here. 1 by 1 plus a power m minus n plus 1 by 1 plus a power n minus m. So we have a rule, quotient rule I'm writing here. A power m minus n is equal to a power m by a power n. This is the formula.
Yes,
So here
sir.
a power n minus m is there. A power n minus m means you will get a power n by a power m. So this two I will write here. Where I will write this is this one also, and the second one I will write with another column. Second one is this. These two formulas I will substitute according to their places. So 1 by 1 plus a power m by a power n plus 1 by 1 plus a power n by a power m. Now let's take the LCM. 1 into a power n plus a power m by a power n plus 1 by 1 into a power m plus a power n by a power m. Now we got a denominator like this, a by b, sorry, a by b by c we got. This c will go up, we will get a into c. So now the denominator, what I am marking with yellow color, this will go up. To 1 it will go. Then what is going to happen? 1 into a power n by a power n plus a power m. 1 into a power m by a power m plus a power m. Now this will come like LCM. And this will come as it is. Now both are same, we get cancel, answer is 1. Okay, please check now, both of you. Or else we can do on the book.
Sir, can you scroll a bit up, sir? Yes, sir. Now, okay, sir.
Okay, Nano?
Okay, sir.
Pawan. Who's this Pawan?
He is my friend, sir.
Today he came. Pawan, please unmute, Nano. Pawan.
Okay, sir.
Pawan, please on the cam also. Pawan, please on the cam also. 1 minute.
He on, sir.
1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, Pawan, today only you came.
Some weeks back also I came, sir.
Yeah. Is Akshar team contact with you? Hmm? Is your parents spoke with Akshar team, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Once, please type your mobile number in the chat box.
Okay, sir.
Then you will receive a call from Akshar. Okay. Look for the details.
Hmm.
Please type your mobile number in the chat box. I'm sending hi to you. Then you give reply for that. Yeah. Okay. Received.
Sir, I also didn't got any call or message.
Yeah. No. Now you will get. Okay. Don't worry. Right. You'll get call from Akshar. Right, children. I'll open next question. No. See, no. 27th, 27th, 28th, 29th. I'm giving the hints. Please try, children. 27th, 27th, Chaitanya.
Okay, sir.
I'm giving the hint to see the formula is on. It is the formula.
Sir, a power m into a power n, sir.
Yeah. You should add the powers. Product rule. So add this power and add this power. Okay. And here
Okay, sir.
add all these powers. And what I'm rounding that all powers you have to add. Here this power you add and then proceed. Yeah, please try now. I will be waiting for 5 more minutes.
Sir, 26th and 27th, you did not say, sir.
Those are so simple, and which are easy, I'm not telling.
Okay, sir.
Only tough ones we do.
Okay, sir.
That you are able to do. Please try this. Okay, Pawan, remaining two sums also try now. No? So children, 27 30 on the board. Children, listen to me. Chaitanya, Sainath, and Pawan. Please listen, Anu. Chaitanya. Pawan.
Sir.
Yeah, listen. 27th, 250. If we add the powers, we will get 0.25. 0.25 means 25 by 100. You will get 1 by 4. Again, 256, if you take LCM, you will get 4 power 4. 4 cancel. 4 you will get. And 28th, when you add the powers, x minus 5, y minus z, z minus x, they all gets cancelled. 5 power 0 you get, then 1. And 29th, again here bases are equal. We have to add the powers. A plus B plus C. And 243, let's take LCM with 3. We get 3 power 5. Again, the bases are equal and powers are also equal. A plus B plus C is equal to 5. But in the question they asked ABC average. Average in the sense sum of terms by number of terms. If 3 letters are there, by 3. Answer is 5 by 3. Okay now? Okay, children, please respond.
Sir.
Yes, Sainath and Pawan. Chaitanya? Chaitanya, are you there? Chaitanya, please take the screenshot. We shall go to the next sum. Children, please take the screenshot.
Finished.
All right. I'm moving up. Next page I'm opening. With some more difficult sums here. Your quotient rule means division. See, a power m divided by a power n. We get a power m minus n. Subtract the powers. Then bases are equal. Here 3 power 7, 3 power 2, you get 3 power 7 minus 2. Already into 5 is there. 3 power 5 into 3 power 5. Now we add the powers. Answer is 3 power 10, option A. So likewise, try 31 children. Okay now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Chaitanya. Chaitanya,
Sir.
before sums, have you checked?
Yes, sir.
I just scroll up, take screenshot once.
Okay, sir.
This one take 27, 28, 29.
I already checked, sir.
Okay, this one. 31.
Okay, sir.
I'm also doing along with you. Please check, children. Here all the power, these two should be multiplied. I will get minus 6. These two powers to be added. Minus 4 plus minus 6 is minus 10. Now these two to be subtracted. Minus 10 minus of minus 5. Minus and minus plus. Minus 10 plus 5, answer we get minus 5. 3 power minus 5 we can also write as 1 by 3 power 5. 1 by 3 power 5 in the sense 3 5 times we multiply, we get 243. C and B both are correct. Right, children?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, 32, 32, 33, 34. When we have two powers with same base, we have to multiply them. That's all. And here, 256 is 4 power 4. Already we have done in the before sum. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. 4 power 5. Just check it out. 4 power 5 value, 256 fours. 1024, no? Second one, 16 can be written as 2 power 4. 81 can be written as 3 power 4. And this denominator, this 4 gets cancelled. 2 by 3 whole power 3 means 8 by 27. And 34th is a little different. First you check out 32 and 33. I will explain 34 on the board. On the 34th sum, I will explain and I will conclude. Right on the board, I will explain. Thirty-four. XYZ is equal to 0. A power X power YZ plus A power Y power ZX plus A power Z power XY. Can you please multiply all these three numbers? You get A power XYZ plus A power XYZ plus A power XYZ. So in the question, A power XYZ value is given as 0. So we write here 0, 0, 0. And finally, we get A power 0, A power 0, A power 0. So 3, 1, 1, 1, 1. A power 0 value 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. Answer is 3, children. Please check. Chaitanya, are you checking? No. Okay, now. Chaitanya, have you checked?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, please try these sums. Tomorrow is Sunday, no? Please try these sums. Next page I'll open for you. Of course, these are a little bit tough, but please try. Chaitanya, anyway, you have the book too. And Sainath Reddy and Pawan, please take a screenshot, children. 37 to 46. Okay, no? Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, right. And Pawan, you receive a call from Akshar, no? Okay. Stopping the screen. And here we are ending
Okay,
our
sir.
class, and we shall continue on Wednesday, no? And next you have physics class after 5 minutes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, take a bye.
Okay, sir.
Bye, sir.